Hello friends, welcome to my channel Math Guru. So today we are going to discuss how to calculate simple interest. Right? So today we are going to discuss how to calculate simple interest. So first we will discuss what is meant by simple interest. So it is the interest calculated on the original principal throughout the holding period. मीन्स आपने जो भी अमाउंट किसी के पास से ली है तो उसके ऊपर जो भी इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होगा उसको हम कहते हैं सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. जितने भी टाइम पीरियड के लिए आपने कुछ मनी लेन किए है तो उसके ऊपर जो भी इंटरेस्ट लगेगा दैट इंटरेस्ट इज नथिंग बट सिंपल interest. So simple interest is again it is the interest calculated on the original principal throughout the holding period. So simple interest is given by, so mathematically it is given by simple interest is equals to principal amount into rate of interest into time duration divided by 100. So again we will write it like this, right? So here simple interest, SI for simple interest, so it is given by principal is P, rate R, and time is T divided by 100, right? So by using this formula for simple interest, right? So SI is PRT divided by 100. So by using this formula we can able to calculate the simple interest on any amount. So again if we want to calculate any term, means principal, rate of interest or time, so just we have to modify the formula. Suppose first if we want to calculate principal amount, so we will write here P. So just modifying the formula, so SI for simple interest into 100, right? So that 100 is going here into multiplied to simple interest. Now the next one is, so here divided by rate of interest into time duration. So for if we require to calculate principal amount, right? Principal amount means how much amount we have given, right? So here we will get the formula simple interest into 100 divided by R into T, right? Now in second case if we require to calculate the rate of interest, all other things are given, means here simple interest is given, principal amount is given, and time period is given. So by using these terms we can easily calculate the rate of interest. So rate of interest we are able to calculate similar way, so just we are modifying the above formula, so we will get the rate of interest. So here P into T, right? So again in next case if we require to calculate the time period, means how much time we have given the money to someone else, right? So by using again our main formula, so here T is time duration or time period, so just modifying the formula SI into 100. So here P into R. So just we have modified our simple interest formula. SI is PRT by 100. So this one is our main formula. So just we are modifying as we require the principal. Then SI into 100 divided by rate of interest into time period. If we required rate of interest, right? Rate of interest, then SI into 100 divided by P into T, principal amount into time, and last we will get if we required the time period, so SI into 100 divided by P into R. नाउ सपोज अभी आप यहाँ से सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं इजीली, राइट? सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट PRT by 100, right? So by using this formula we will get the interest amount only, right? So we are here getting only interest amount, right? So after that if we want to calculate the total amount, means how much amount we are going to receive after the money given to someone, राइट. सो टोटल अमाउंट इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय टोटल अमाउंट. सो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसमें जो भी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा आपको, जो भी इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, सो हियर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, और ये इंटरेस्ट आपको किस अमाउंट के ऊपर मिल रहा है, वो प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट के ऊपर मिल रहा है. राइट. सो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट और उसमें आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. सो वी विल गेट द टोटल अमाउंट. वी विल गेट टोटल अमाउंट मीन्स उसमें उस टोटल अमाउंट में आपका क्या क्या ऐड रहेगा, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट और जो अमाउंट आपने किसी को दिया था इंटरेस्ट पर. राइट. सो वो सब कैलकुलेट होके आपको क्या मिलेगा, टोटल अमाउंट. सो टोटल अमाउंट इज गिवन बाय सिंपल इंटरेस्ट प्लस द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. सो these आर द formula for calculate the simple interest. So this one is the main formula, right? So if we want to calculate this additional terms, means principal amount, rate of interest, then time period or total amount, so we have to use these formulas, right? So now next we are going to see the examples one by one. ठीक है, तो हम एक एग्जाम्पल अभी देखते हैं. सो एग्जाम्पल इज फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड अमाउंट. फाइंड द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड अमाउंट. हियर रुपीज़ 150. राइट. 150 आपने किसी को दिए है सपोज. टाइम पीरियड कितना है, 4 साल, और कितने रेट पे दिया है, 5% पर ईयर. तो पर ईयर आपको कितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, 5%. सो फर्स्ट we will write the given thing. So here given, this is the our total, this is our amount. So we will write here principal amount. So P is 150, right, 150 rupees. Then here this one is our time period. So T is 4 years, right, and rate of interest is 5%. Right. So here we have to calculate simple interest and amount. Right. So for calculating simple interest, so just we are writing our formula. So simple interest is nothing but the P into R into T and divided by 100. Right. So just putting the values. So principal amount is 150, rate of interest is 5% and time period is 4 years, and then divided by 100. So just multiplying, just simplifying the calculations. So here, right, so 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So after calculating we will get the 30. Right. So simple interest we are getting is rupees 30. Right. rupees 30 we are getting as our simple interest. मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे अभी समझ में आया क्या कि हियर आपने कितने रुपीज़ दी थे रेंट इंटरेस्ट पे, 150 रुपीज़. उसके कंडीशंस क्या थे, 4 ईयर एंड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कितना था, 5%. राइट. सो आपको 4 साल के बाद ओनली इंटरेस्ट कितना मिलेगा, 30 रुपीज़. राइट. 150 के ऊपर आपका इंटरेस्ट कितना होगा 4 साल में, 5% के हिसाब से 30 रुपीज़. राइट. सो दिस इज अवर इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट. राइट. सो इफ again we have to calculate here amount. So here we will write here total amount we are getting return. Right. So here total amount. Right. So we know that total amount is nothing but addition of simple interest and principal amount. So simple interest is here 30 rupees and principal amount कितनी अमाउंट आपने दी थी, 150 rupees. Right. So finally here we are getting 180 rupees as our total amount. Right. So this one is our total amount we are getting after the 4 years. So simply by using the formula we are able to calculate the simple interest, and after calculating that just we have to add that simple interest into the principal amount. So our total amount this much, right? Hope you guys you like this. If you like, please share, subscribe, comment on video. Thank you guys.